craving my, should I say, fulfilling my sweet tooth right now. I just got done running a few errands. I slept in today. I didn't even care. Guys, I've been like whooped for the past 3 days. Just feeling like crap. But anyways, oh my God. I haven't had a mochi in like, it's been months, maybe even a year almost. But anyways, today, absolutely beautiful day out. I had to run an AutoZone real quick. I gotta stop at the bank to deposit my clutch money. This is clutch money, guys. Ordering the clutch today. I woke up and the sun was just shining into my room, and I'm like, yeah, I know. This is how I know it's gonna be a nice day to get outside, get some work done, guys. I haven't touched the engine in weeks, so I'm like dying. So we're gonna do that today. We have my clutch money, guys. Whee! Everything's been decent, aside from me being sick and not really been able to like work on the car as much. Like, I've been dying to get a video up for you guys, and I'm like, dude, I have nothing to film. And it's just like, I got this, my last part for my internals on the engine, and I'll show you guys in a minute when we get to the house. But I'm like, dude, I can make a little quick video, man, you know? So the fact that I'm doing that makes me feel good, because when I don't post, I like get stressed out sometimes, because, you know, I was on this schedule for a while, like a video a week for a long time. So that sunlight, guys, woo, feels so good. So I got this for lunch slash early dinner, and I've been doing one meal a day, guys. It's been very, very challenging for me, but I'm able to do it. Now, I don't advise it unless you are taking like multivitamins, because I was weak at first, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll get back into that eventually. But today's lunch, I got some Whole Foods, fire, mushroom, onion pizza, and I got a nice Coca-Cola. Oh my God. I needed something to eat, and I haven't had pizza. I haven't had pizza in like, I don't know how, it's been like maybe like 2 months. I usually get it down the street from the house. Like, there's a nice little Greek spot. I usually just get a vegetable delight, but this is fire. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this lunch here. I'll bring you guys out there in a little bit once I'm finished here. But yeah, I gotta appreciate the days like these. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get our new part on, guys. Remember this, I had this on the 24. This is the billet. It's the billet aluminum lower cam gear guide, and this will help in case of a tensioner failure, or if you're doing a cam swap or anything. This kind of keeps the chain stationary, because it rests along this this rivet here. There's like no there's no play at all. It keeps it very tight. But first, let me catch you guys up to where the engine stands as of right now. I'm just going over my work and making sure that I'm doing an extra few rotations to make sure 100% that the engine is timed It's always a good thing to do. And then I also am going to check my, before I seal up everything with Honda Bond, I'm going to check my torque on that, and basically torque on the guides. And as you can see, the marks on the top look good. And then the mark on the crank is in line. All right, let's get these out. Wow, look at that.